Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about the part 2 about the world. And world is, we can do many things in the world, like we can create stories, magazines, newspaper, kids exams, and also we can do many things, writing. And this one is, we're going to learn about theme found. Okay. So, look, first I'm going to write a sentence. I'll write my name is Wania. Okay, you can see here I write this, I will write another. I'm 7 years old. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. This is going to be easy. I'm in year 3. Okay, the next one. My teacher name is teacher. Okay, next teacher Sabahat. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay, let's go on the next one. Let's make it some big. Okay. We're gonna write, I like playing game. Adopt me. Okay, we're gonna go. Okay, see, we can. Okay. We're going to add one more sentence. I like ice cream. That's right. I love ice cream very much. Actually, I really love it. Okay, guys, see. This will be the size, the shape. Okay. We can choose any of them. So first of all, we are going to choose my name. So how will, guys, for example, I don't like this font. Okay, so if you don't like this one, we will go in theme fonts. We will click here, and we can also do French scroll shift F. So we will go. Guys, see, there are many writings, the design, there are so many that we can choose any one of them, and some are big, some are small, like that, and so many are there. When we go down, it will show more. When we go up, it will show up. When we go up, we can see the back ones that we see. So now, if I want to change my name like this, if I want to change the design, I will go here, and if I want maybe this design, this one, and it will change. It changed. You cannot see because it was a little different. I will do another one. For example, maybe. Which was that? Okay, this. It's like, if I press the B, it means bold. You can also do curl B. It will be a little bit big. You can see that. And I don't want it, so what I will do? First I will click. Okay, this is inside the door. Leave it. Okay, now I want how we will change the color. So first we will wait. Okay, so if I want to make all of them big, like any, like see, it's all big. Now I want to do the other one. This one looks good, and I can even not read. Okay, maybe this. It looks good. This one go in here. 15 fonts. Go down, 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 down. I'm going down. And I will choose this one. This is good. This is very good. Okay. I like playing games. This one. And I will go down, 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 down. This. Wow, I like it. And I'll choose the lastest one. And it will be maybe this. I like ice cream. Okay. Now, if we press this button, it will make the letter bold. We can also do it with the curl B. Okay, if I want to make this bold, I will do with curl B. It worked. It is little bit big. It's little bit big. Like if I want to make this one big, this. And now I'm gonna make it bold. It's little bit big. It's big. From the size, it was so small, it become very big. Now I want to make it little bit italic. We can also do it with curl L. So let's see. It's little bit bended. It's little bit bended. It's like a shadow, but it's not a shadow. See? It's now straight, now it's bended. Straight and bended. Straight and bended. It's like that. If I want this to be underlined, I can do it with the curl U also. I will just do, if I press the word, you see the line is there. It means it's underlined. Okay. If I want this, my teacher's name, I'll press this and it has the underline line. If I want to do the ice cream, I'll press underline and it has the line. Okay, I'll do adopt me. I press the underline and it's underlined. Okay, now we will do about the size. The size, if we maybe I should choose this one. It's very small that I cannot see. From here we can also choose the 8th one is very smaller. The 9 is little bit small. 10, like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Like so many are there. Like so much big. Like for now I want 80 for now. I want 80. Look at the 48 is good. It's so big on 48. Let's see what looks like on 72. Let's see. Maybe the 72 is the biggest of the all. Look at the small letters. Okay, let's. Guys, if we don't want to use from here, we can use from here. Increase font size, we can do it. Decrease font size. Okay. Oh, if we press this one, it will be big, more bigger. And you can see from there it's getting big. This is so. It disappeared. That. We don't need that too much big, or it will disappear. Our writing will disappear. It will be the font color. Change the color of your text. Okay, I will do this. So, let's see how. First, which one I want to do? Maybe teacher. Maybe I will do the teacher. Okay. Now, what I will do, I will press. It will change the color. Did you see that? If I press this, which color should I like? For example, I will take maybe blue. And I want this whole sentence to be the same color. How will I do that? So what we need, we take all of that and do any color. Which color? I think maybe this color will work. And I want to change this one to this we will change all. We will not let the. Okay, we'll do this to green because there are so many colors. I don't want to choose one of all. I'll choose red. Okay. Okay, we are so close to the eye. How did I do that? I just clicked on the eye and it worked. Maybe I'm so confused. Should I keep it black? I think I should keep that one black. Whoa, I should put that brown. My name is light blue. I will change the. I put it little bit dark because if it's light then it will not work. Okay, if I want to underline it. Okay, let's see how can we do that. I will copy this. I do not copy okay, we'll press this. The color changed. I pressed this and it changed. If I want the color blue work. Why is it not working? See, it worked. And it's so light. Wow. I need to change the color. I need to change the color to yellow because I cannot see it. And I need mine also. So much low items. Okay. It's like you can see the background is white. But here, now I did that. It is the color yellow. It's like halfway. And did you see? It was like here. It was the color white. But here it is the color yellow. Did you see the example? It was this. You can see it was like this one, all of this. Okay, like from here we can change the color. I've showed you already. And let's make another sentence here near my name. Maybe I have no clue. What should I write? Oh, I know. Write my favorite. I want to write my favorite car. Car is favorite car is golden Lamborghini. Golden Lamborghini. Okay. Lamborghini. Okay, there we go. It says my favorite car is Lamborghini. And that for real is my favorite car. Because I love Lamborghinis a lot. Let's change the text. Maybe yellow. Yeah, pink is perfect. Maybe green. The text should be green. Now, let's try it again. Oh, it's green. Black should work. Okay, this one is the most biggest. Let's do on red because I'm 7 years old. Like, it's impossible to make the Y. Look that, it's impossible to write it. Comment down below if you write like that I before, because I'm so confused how to write that. If I should write that, I'll be like, how am I supposed to write this color or letter? I just used the other one accidentally. Wow. We're gonna make it 28 and this ice cream too. 28. The I and like are like I like ice cream. I like big ice cream, like a big giant ice cream. like it will be like it will take 1,000 people to eat that ice cream. It will be like when I eat that ice cream in 1 second, I will not accept. I do not want to eat a big ice cream. So guys, so what did we learn today? We learned the fonts, the theme fonts, the size, the shape, the color, the background, bold, the underline, and we did the font color and change. We did the highlight color, highlight text, highlight color. So in the next part, we will learn this one, the left or the right one. So this will we will do in the next part. That will be definitely be our 3 parts. So far we did the first part, that will be did all of these. After some, when we're gonna get tired, we will do this, all of them. So when we, okay guys, I hope you have a nice, lovely day. Okay, bye guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, hit this channel 1 million subscribes. Hit the subscribe channel, the subscribe button down below. Okay, bye guys. Bye. I hope you have a nice day. Bye. Bye. Bye.